Whenever I see pictures of those in IDP, I feel very sad that Nigerians can live in refugee in Nigeria when we're not at war. I'm in Benue State today to do a courtesy call to the two former traditional rulers in Benue State, the Third TV and Ochidama. And of course, I can't come to Benue without coming to pay my loyalty to the governor. I can tell you the only deal I have with them is that they are passionate for a better Nigeria. That's the only deal. Everybody wants Nigeria to survive now. Everybody, because at the end of the day, if it collapses, anarchy consumes everybody.
I said it before. If I were not in PDP, Peter Obi would have been my candidate, and I would have been there with him. But I'm in PDP, that is my handicap. But my prayers are with you.